One more TVGH, no one, no 10, let's go. Like.
Subscribe for more content.
On day one, I will seal the border and will begin the largest domestic deportation operation in the history of our country. And if other countries say they won't take them back, we're not going to take them back. I will say that, yeah, here they come. You're just going to hold on to your britches, because here they come. They're coming back.
Like.
Subscribe for more content.
Immigration is one of the top issues for Americans, and it's one that President-elect Donald Trump is promising to crack down on. It's one of the many reasons why more than 76 million people voted for him to return to power, and we are starting to learn more about how exactly he plans on carrying out a mass deportation of undocumented migrants.
On day one, I will seal the border and will begin the largest domestic deportation operation in the history of our country. And if other countries say they won't take them back, we're not going to take them back. I will say that, yeah, here they come. You're just going to hold on to your britches, because here they come. They're coming back.
One more TVGH, no one, no 10, let's go.
The President-elect has confirmed that he plans to declare a national emergency on border security, and the US military will be deployed to assist deporting illegal immigrants. Authorities estimate that there are around 11 million people illegally living in the United States as we speak, and Trump officials say that they plan on prioritising those who pose a risk to public safety. They will be deported first. But Democrats say they're going to put up a fight.
We will be playing a lot of defense, I know, over the next couple of years, protecting our communities, particularly our immigrant communities.
Here's Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs speaking on ABC News, trying to make her case in an interview which can only be described as a train wreck.
Would you, as governor, allow state police and National Guard to carry out mass deportations?
We will not be participating in misguided efforts that harm our communities, and I've been incredibly clear about that.
And it gets worse as Katie Hobbs struggles to answer a very simple question.
What would worry you the most, Governor, about mass deportations?
Well, I think the diversion of law enforcement from the work that they do every day to keep our communities safe. People hiding in fear. We saw that under previous state policies here, and it harms communities. It tears families apart.
Katie Hobbs is getting absolutely slammed for this on social media, many pointing out that this is what the American people voted for. Donald Trump won the battleground state of Arizona by over 5 points. The state has made it clear they want Donald Trump to deliver on his promises. The President-elect has announced Tom Homan as his border czar, who says plans are well underway.
As far as the deportation operation, we will prioritize public safety threats and national security threats because they pose the biggest danger to the United States. He's got 3 rails. So we'll do the deportation operation with the priorities I just talked to you out of the gate. That'd be the priorities. Second thing is secure that border.
Many online are comparing him to the border czar of the Biden administration. See if you notice the difference.
Up with education, down with deportation. Up with education, down with deportation.
I got a message to the millions of illegal aliens that Joe Biden's releasing our country in violation of federal law. You better start packing now.
We are in for a big change come January. Donald Trump is continuing to announce key positions. Over the weekend, he went to the UFC with Elon Musk and RFK Jr.
You know, there's this famous saying that says politics is downstream from culture. I think what Trump and Musk and this whole group are proving, at least in this instance, it's in the reverse, and culture is downstream from politics. Everything from his dance move to these photos that they're releasing, and they're having fun at the UFC and flying on jets and all of that. It's interesting because on top, it's layering and packaging something about how that cool factor, as you're saying, and how this team is going to work together, this group of outsiders, on top of the actual policy picks that have been making a lot of news right now. And I think it's all deliberate with Trump, that he's trying to signal this cohesive team that shares the same vision and having a lot of fun at the same time.
Yeah. Well, we've been talking about Trump's cabinet appointees in recent days. One of his latest is the new press secretary, the youngest ever at the White House, Carolyn Leavitt. Also, another controversial pick has been RFK Jr.